mustn't overthink. Because what?
Oh my god.
Clock it.
Cause it was always you. And if I'm burning blue, please don't save me.
I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, Sana. Today we're just going to do a mukbang. We are having iskopo. This is called iskopo in South African, but it's pig head. So good.